Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In current lecture, I am solving problem 1-80 from the book Thermodynamics and Engineering Approach by CENGEL 7th edition. So, the statement is calculate the absolute pressure P1 of the manometer shown in figure P1-80. This is the figure in kilopascal. The local atmospheric pressure is 758 millimeter of Hg. So given is atmospheric pressure in millimeter of Hg is given to us is 758 millimeter of Hg, and from the figure, from the given figure P1-80, the specific weight at point A is 10 kilonewton per cubic meter. Specific weight at point A of fluid A. The name of this fluid is, there are two types of fluid. One is this and one is this type of fluid. So from figure P1-80, specific weight of fluid A is equal to gamma A, denoted by gamma A. Specific weight of fluid A is equal to 10 kilonewton per cubic meter, and the height for this fluid is 5 centimeter. So in HA is equal to height for fluid A is 5 centimeter. Convert this into meter, which is equal to 5 divided by 100 meter. So 5 divided by 100 is equal to 0.05 meter. And specific weight of fluid B is this, 8 kilonewton per cubic meter. Specific weight of fluid B, gamma B, is equal to 8 kilonewton per cubic meter, and height for this fluid is equal to, this is 15 centimeter. This is 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter, convert this into meter, so divide by 100, which is equal to 0.15 meter. Now required is P absolute, and P absolute is equal to P1 in this statement. This is required. Find P absolute P1. The name of P absolute in this statement is P1. So we start solution. As P absolute is required in kilopascal, so we will convert this millimeter of Hg into kilopascal. First we will convert atmospheric pressure from millimeter of Hg into kilopascal. So as we know that 1 millimeter of Hg is equal to 1 millimeter of Hg is equal to 133.322 133.322 Pascal, and in kilopascal divide by 1000. So 133.322 divided by 1000, divide and multiply by 1000. Kilo is equal to 1000, which is equal to 133.322 by 1000 is equal to 0.133322. There is 22 kilopascal. 1 millimeter of Hg is equal to 0.133322 kilopascal. So 758 millimeter of Hg is equal to 758 multiplied by 0.13332 kilopascal, which is equal to 758 multiplied by this is equal to 101.058 kilopascal. It means that PATM in kilopascal is equal to 101.058 kilopascal. And we know that relationship between absolute pressure, atmospheric pressure, and gauge pressure. We know that absolute pressure is equal to atmospheric pressure plus gauge pressure. In our case, P absolute, name of P absolute pressure, find absolute pressure P1. So the name of P absolute is P1 is equal to atmospheric pressure, and gauge pressure in the manometer is gamma AHA here for this fluid. For this fluid, this is fluid A. So for this gauge pressure is gamma AHA, and for this fluid, this is fluid B. So for this pressure, gauge pressure is equal to gamma BHB. So gauge pressure is for one fluid is for fluid A is gamma A HA, and for fluid B is gamma B HB, where gamma is specific weight. Gamma is specific weight. The unit of gamma is kilonewton per cubic meter, and per H is meter. So 1 meter will be cancelled with 1 meter. So this will be equal to kilonewton per square meter, which is the unit of pressure. And Newton per square meter is equal to Pascal. So this is equal to kilopascal. This is equal to kilopascal. So P1 is equal to, atmospheric pressure is equal to 101.058 kilopascal plus gamma A is specific weight of fluid A, 10 kilonewton per cubic meter, into HA is 0.05 meter, plus gamma B, specific weight of fluid B, is 8 kilonewton per cubic meter, multiplied by HB is 0.15 meter. 1 meter will be cancelled with 1 meter. Here 1 meter will be cancelled with 1 meter. So P1 absolute pressure is equal to 101.058 kilopascal plus 10 multiplied by 0.05 is equal to 10 multiplied by 0.05 is equal to 0.5 kilopascal. Kilo in Newton, this is Newton per square meter, which is equal to Pascal, plus 8 multiplied by 0.15 is 1.2. This is kilo, and Newton per square meter is equal to Pascal. So P1 is equal to P absolute. Add these three values, which is equal to 102.758 kilopascal. So absolute pressure is equal to 102.758 in kilopascal. And this is the final answer. And for more videos, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.